Hi, it's Lynn with Self Squares. I'm going to do the Silver Jubilee, which is the Daydream Block of the Month quilt. I'm doing block 3, and this is through Annie's Kit Clubs. The link will be below, but follow along with me as I make this block. Oh, by the way, we're making this block. We are going to work on this block, which is block number 3. It is called Split Rail. So it's basically a jelly roll type project. They send me all the fabric and I cut it up, and then I have a lot of leftovers. And so I've already built my blocks, and I'll show you that right here. as always, I have leftovers. Look at this. These are all those little triangles I just cut off. Did I get them all? Little triangles I just cut off, and I'm going to keep them in case I decide to make a teeny tiny little half square triangle. This is what I had 4 of these that cut off at the ends that I didn't use, and I accidentally cut, well, I just got carried away. I have a bunch of these squares left, but look at this. I still have this and all of this, and these are doubled. So there's a lot of fabric here, and I really don't even think I've used half of it. So I do think I could easily get 2 squares out of this, or 2 blocks. I'm maybe should start making 2 every time just to get it done while I'm going, because I have a lot of fabric. So anyway, I always save it by the block, so I keep it all together and I put it back in the bag. And I write on there what it is. So this case, block 3, you probably can't see because it's green. Block 3. So I put the fabric in there and I hold on to it. That way I know if I want to make this again, that's what I need. And I probably have exactly what I need. And the instructions are here. But the instructions for this are pretty simple. It's basically a rail fence. Although you're using skinnier pieces than a traditional jelly roll rail fence. And the instructions, I'm not going to give you the cut sizes, but the instructions are there to make it come together. You're going to have 3 different types of blocks. Let's see if it will tell me. And then you're going to put it together. Now I have already pieced this together, kind of. So what I've done is I have sewn my 3 strips, and then I just chain pieced. Does that make sense to anybody? So all that's left really is to join these rows and join these rows and then join the middle, and then my whole block is done. So I'm gonna do that real fast. All right, these 2 are now sewn together. This is such a simple way to do it. Just gotta keep your blocks together when you pick them up. Look how this is coming together. But I'm going to show you the different blocks while I can do this here. One of them is this one, where the corner went on the light side. There's also, let's see, oh, actually all 4 of these are the light side. There's also this block right here where the corner piece goes on the dark side. And then there's 4 pieces in the very center, which I should maybe finish this block before I show you, that have these. So that means it's cut off, and there's corners on both the light and the dark side. And then you just follow the instructions for how you lay it out. So it's just the 3 different layouts, and then you put it together right. There you go, let's press it. We are done. There is our split rail fence, block number 3 for the Daydream block of the month, quilt block of the month. This one through Annie's. The link is below. They have a lot of different ones. So I'd also follow me doing the Christmas, Holly Jolly Christmas sampler. Thanks everybody. Have a great day.